Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Marvel Rivals crashing. So first, open your Steam and go to your library. Then right click on Marvel Rivals. Go to Properties, Installed Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for it to load up, and after it finish it up, if it didn't work, click on this Browse. After that, scroll down and look for Marvel Rivals Launcher.exe, and then go to Properties, right click it and go to Properties, go to Compatibility, click on Run this program as administrator if it's not yet ticked. Click on Apply, then hit on OK. And also, additionally, you can set your graphics on low. And that's basically it.